Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Anaya's Universe. So right now I'm going to show you the part 2 of the video of Parrots of the World. By the way, this is one of the Chinese water dragons. This is just a little update about them. They're doing well, but since at the store they weren't doing so well, that's why we bought them. And we're thinking we're going to go back to buy more. We might or we might not. By the way, we're trying to fatten him up, but we think he's a boy. I'm pretty sure he is, because if you look on the bottom of this, he has those lines that indicates that he's a boy, and he also has these spikes coming out, which is pretty cool. Don't you agree? By the way, he's really nice and gentle, and he's really playful as well. And I didn't name him yet, so if you guys have names, please tell me what you want to name them in the comments. And before we get started, please subscribe and hit the bell button. So guys, if you haven't seen part 1 of Parrots of the World, go check it out. Come on, go watch it now.
Guys, we're gonna go check out the fishes. Let's go. We'll walk around. Walk around. So then you could also buy other things here as well, not besides pets. Come on.
Hi there.
Thank you. Nice and sweet. That's so sweet.
So guys, I had to take the sound out because of all the noise from the fish tank pumps. So this one is an arowana. They are great fish, but they like to jump out of the tank. Now I'll tell you about cichlids. These are the jewel cichlids, and the ones over here are parrot cichlids. Those are pacus, but for these fish you need a huge tank. These are knife fish. They get very big. There's some Central American cichlids. Wait, that's a parrot cichlid. And then we have an African cichlid. They are a brackish water fish, which just means they need more salt in their water. But yeah, they're pretty awesome fish that Uncle Mark has. And these are koi fish, which are pretty awesome to have. And I used to have them in my old pond. And they get really big, so they're really fun to see. And they sometimes glow in the water. So when I say my fish can glow in the water, I didn't really mean that. What I mean is like the sun reflects off of the fish. So that's what I meant by it would glow. Also, we're gonna make a bigger and a cooler pond soon, so we're gonna make a video about that as well. I can't wait until then. Also, Uncle Mark, he has really nice pets, and you should really go check out Parrots of the World. That's the name of the pet shop. You should really go check it out. You'll really enjoy going to his pet shop. And also, we're gonna do a video on our fish as well.
So, this is my favorite fish. This is my favorite fish. I used to have them actually. Well, not exactly this one, but I used to have another one. But we had to give that one away too, because he kept on jumping out of the tank. Actually, no, it didn't jump out of the tank. We didn't have a big enough tank. But yeah, and you could see his like really nice teeth. Just look at those. Look at that. But he's really cute and adorable, if you ask me. They're called an alligator gar. From here, you could buy one for $500. See? Look at the price.
This one is for $500?
Yep. $500.
So these are albino salamanders. They're pretty cool. I never seen them really albino. I've seen the black ones, just not the albino ones. and they live in the water, so they're pretty cool pets. These are discus, another type of cichlids. By the way, that's a white one over there. These are just a bunch of plants, aquatic plants you can purchase also at Uncle Mark's shop. So you guys can buy these plants, and also we use it in our tanks as well.
So guys, I want to show you a chameleon, which technically I want to beg my parents again to buy me one. And we didn't have it, we didn't get it because my parents told me that we have to buy a new tank for it and everything, which takes a lot of time, and that's about it. But I'm gonna try it again and beg to get another chameleon. Well, I actually never had a chameleon, so this will be my first. This is gonna be exciting if I beg them and try to get one. There's two of them if you don't see them. There's two, and I want to get one of them. I don't know which one I want to get. Doesn't matter to me as long as I get a chameleon. Get in there. I don't know. Get cute. मुझे चाहिए बोल रही है ना बोल रही क्या बोल रही हाय हाय प्यारी है He's just laughing. Oh my god, just look at this guy. Hi.
6 घंटे के लिए सब दिन आपसे लेंगे
Where you go? God, bro, why? When I needed you to do it, you didn't reply. Okay, here. Oh, so bad.
Enjoyed the video, by the way, and please subscribe and hit that bell button.